We're in the middle of trial. I'm cross-examining a doctor for the defense. And now I ask the doctor a key question. And the lawyer who represents the defense jumps up out of his seat, yells out, "Objection, Judge!" Can I keep going and ask the doctor the additional questions I want to? Or do I have to wait for the judge to give an answer with regard to the objection that he just heard? You want to know the answer? Come join me on this walk through the neighborhood as I share with you the answer to that question. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury attorney. All right, so let's say you brought a lawsuit against your doctor claiming that he was careless and that his carelessness caused you harm and injury. And now we go all the way to trial. At trial, I'm in the middle of questioning the doctor who the defense has brought in to go ahead and support the claim that they did nothing wrong. So now I'm cross-examining this doctor. During the course of questioning, things are getting heated. All of a sudden, I ask a question that my opponent doesn't like. So what does he do? He jumps up out of his seat as if an ejection button was pressed, and he yells out, "Objection, Judge! I object to Oginski's question because," and now he tells the judge the reason why he doesn't think the question is appropriate. Do I have to actually stop what I'm doing and wait for the judge to go ahead and give a ruling? Or can I just keep plowing through and ignore my opponent's objection? The answer is, I have to wait for the judge to give a ruling. Now, the judge is going to make an instantaneous ruling. The judge has heard the question, the judge knows where I'm going with my line of questioning, and the judge is either going to say objection sustained or objection overruled. Now, what does that mean? It means the attorney, the defense attorney, has now objected to something. He's basically saying, "Hey, judge, listen, there's something wrong with Oginski's question. Maybe it's a problem with the way he phrased the question. Maybe it's a topic that you told us we couldn't talk about. Maybe it's something else. Maybe it's a piece of evidence that didn't come in. Who knows? There could be lots of different reasons why an attorney would object." When an attorney wants to catch the judge's attention, he has to stand up and address the court properly. And he does that by standing up quickly and promptly and now telling the judge exactly in a few words what the problem is. "Hey, Judge, I just want you to know I have a problem with this question. Can you please make a ruling on it?" Now, the judge, having heard the question, what does he do? He goes ahead and makes a ruling. If he says objection overruled, you know what that means? It means he disagrees with the defense lawyer's objection, and the witness can go ahead and answer that question. In fact, the witness has to answer the question. If the judge goes ahead and says objection sustained, it means that the witness is not to answer the question. There's a problem with it. So now either I'll ask a different question or I'll rephrase my question or I'll do something to ask and go on to the next series of questions I want to cover. So why do I share this quick information with you? I share it with you because this comes up in every single trial. There are always objections being made, and the judge will always have to make certain rulings. Some will favor one side, some will favor the other side. But the bottom line is, objections are made, the judge has to rule on it, we have to wait and stop until the bugs go away. We have to wait and stop what we're doing until the judge makes a decision. Now we have the decision, we continue moving forward. You know, I realize you likely have questions or concerns about your own matter. Well, if your matter did happen here in New York and you're thinking about bringing a lawsuit, but haven't done so yet because you still have questions that need to be answered, what I invite you to do is pick up the phone and call me. You know, I answer questions like yours every single day, and I'd love to talk to you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, Gerry, at Oginski-law.com. That's it for today's video. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a wonderful day.